So through the porosity here are going roots. Roots. Okay. If I break the soil, it's full of holes and roots. Roots.
បាទយើងមើលទៅយើងមានក្នុងដីហ្នឹងវាមានឫសរបស់ដំណាំរបស់យើងណា
Here I'm a bit far away from the tree, so I cannot say these are coming from here or these are coming from the weeds. But these are roots, and that means that the roots are able to go deep in the soil.
គាត់ថាដោយសារគាត់នៅឆ្ងាយពីដើមទុរេនគាត់មិនដឹងថាឫសហ្នឹងជាឫសរបស់ទុរេនឬក៏ឫសរបស់ស្មៅឬរុក្ខជាតិអីផ្សេងទេប៉ុន្តែគាត់ថាមានឫសដុះហើយជាងដីហ្នឹងល្អហើយ
And these white roots, we can say that they are living, because if they were not white, they were brown, then they will have died. Sorry, they will be dead. Okay. The fact that they are white means that they are living, they are active.
យើងមើលឃើញឫសវានឹងពណ៌សហើយជាងមានថាឫសហ្នឹងគឺមានជីវិតវារស់ណាបើឫសហ្នឹងពណ៌ brown ពណ៌ថ្នោតមានថាងាប់ហើយ
So I'm going to take a sample and we'll make the test later.
បាទគាត់ថានឹងយកសំណាក់ដីហ្នឹងមកមើលផ្សេងទៀត
Sorry. So let's get it. Then, if we are going a bit upper, let's take here.
បាទអញ្ចឹងគាត់នឹងយកដីមកសំណាក់ទៀតនៅខាងនៅខាងលើមិនក៏យកខាងក្រោមឥឡូវក៏យកខាងលើ
You see that here the soil is not so soft like it was there. Oh, look at that. Yellow. The red one.
It's running.
Yeah. Doesn't like to be in front of the light in hot temperature.
Ah.
Okay. So if we are looking here, the soil is a bit more difficult to break, dry. Okay.
គាត់ថាមើលតែដីនៅខាងលើយើងហ្នឹងគឺមើលទៅវាសោះជាតិទឹកហើយស្ងួតហើយវាពិបាកក្នុងការបំបែក
Here you can see these are warm channels.
ហើយយើងមើលឃើញអាហ្នឹងគឺជារុនរបស់ចលេនណាហើយជាផ្លូវរបស់ចលេនណារុនរបស់ចលេន
The warm channels are channels to drain the soil, to put away the excess of water. When there is too much water running from the rain, then the water is entering on these channels and goes straight down, very deep.
ចឹងរុនរបស់ចលេនហ្នឹងអាហ្នឹងដូចជាឡៃរំដោះទឹកចឹងណាដូចជាទៅយករំដោះទឹកចឹងពេលភ្លៀងខ្លាំងអីខ្លាំងមកវាទឹករហូតតាមរុនចលេនហ្នឹងចុះទៅក្រោម
Because the aim is to let the porosity open to allow the circulation of the oxygen.
ហើយរុនចលេនហ្នឹងគឺក៏ជាដូចជាទៅយកមួយសម្រាប់ធ្វើឲ្យអុកស៊ីហ្សែនវាមានដំណើរការវារត់ទៅមកនៅក្នុងដីរបស់យើងដែរ
When I'm coming up, I see that this was down, this a bit up, and this is more up. That means that here I can see a big change in the color.
គាត់ថាពេលគាត់យកដីមកសំណាក់ទៀតនេះវានៅខ្ពស់ជាងគេនេះគឺឃើញថាពណ៌របស់ដីហ្នឹងវាខុសគេ
The change in the color means that here I've got more organic matter.
គាត់ថាវាខុសគេនៅសារតែខាងលើនោះវាមានជាតិបមុកមានជាតិសារធាតុសរីរាង្គហ្នឹងច្រើនជាង
And here we can see two things that are very interesting.
ហើយឥឡូវយើងមើលឃើញពីរដែលគួរឲ្យចាប់អារម្មណ៍មានរឿងពីរដែលគួរឲ្យចាប់អារម្មណ៍
If somebody have dental problems, I can help. No, I'm sorry, I'm joking. Here I can see some roots, small roots.
បាទនៅហ្នឹងគាត់ឃើញមានបាទមានឫស
Here also, this is a root.
បាទនៅឃើញមានឫសតូច
And here, this is a fungi.
បាទកន្លែងនេះយើងមើលឃើញថាជាផ្សិត
Here is a fungi also.
បាទផ្សិតបាទ
Here is a fungi also. These are roots.
អានេះជាឫសរបស់រុក្ខជាតិ
Okay. you can see that the roots are white, bit yellowish, and the fungi are purely white. Okay,
Fury White
white.
អូខេ
Okay,
យើងមើលទៅថាអារឹសដំណាំភាគច្រើនវាពណ៌រៀង
that means that if
ព
I've
ណ៌
got
លឿងលឿង yellow
អត់ណារៀងលឿង
បាទ
បើផ្សិតវិញវាពណ៌ស
សបាទ
if I'm trying to understand why do I have fungi there, it's because I've got a lot of oxygen.
គាត់ប្រាប់ថាហេតុអ្វីបានវាមានផ្សិតច្រើនព្រោះកន្លែងហ្នឹងដីលើហ្នឹងវាមានអុកស៊ីហ្សែនច្រើន
Okay, I've got a lot of oxygen, I've got organic matter, so I've got food for the fungi and good condition for the fungi to develop themselves.
អញ្ចឹងដីនៅសន្ទាប់ខាងលើហ្នឹងវាមានជាតិមកមានសារធាតុសរីរាង្គច្រើនមានអុកស៊ីហ្សែនច្រើនអញ្ចឹងវាធ្វើឲ្យមានអាហារច្រើនសម្រាប់ផ្សិតអស់ហ្នឹង
So it's nice to see that. Let's see if we can find some others.
Đây có hình nhỏ và đậm càng lên sân.
Here you can see another part of the biodiversity. These are small eggs.
Bà dương mơ khơi đây ní dương chia chi vậy trồng ra mùi tiết cứ dương khơi pòng.
Okay.
Tôi nè, nó.
ដីខាងលើ
Hàng lương.
ជប់លើសបងជា
Here I can see other fungi.
Hai này nó còn khơi miên sạch
You see these
xây này.
white here? These are fungi. Here there's roots. Here are fungi, not the same color.
Chẳng sạch hay năng rư đầm nam bếp xây kia nữa. Sạch cứ po so scu mỏng đó. Rư
Roots,
đầm nam với ai po
roots,
lương ấy
roots,
từ.
everywhere roots. Here are fungi.
Bà này so nó nắng sạch
The
nó.
small one.
Tôi
Okay.
nó cứ sạch nó khơi ấy.
Okay. These are those that are able to transform the organic matter into humus. You remember yesterday we spoke about. The first stage of the humus decomposition is coming through the fungi.
Chẳng sạch ở nó vì mình sao tầm khăn này là vì phơ một cam nó vì sa mà sẽ giải riêng tới chia mà một nó.
Take your
Là dương
picture
đi
there.
làm sao mấy
It's
năm.
much better.
This is also fungi.
Here are fungi, and here that's a root. You know, it's not the same color.
So symbiosis. Live together.
That means that the root is still alive. That means functioning, and the fungi are functioning by the decomposition of the organic material. We are on the topsoil. Okay. If I was able to find fungi very deep, I would say that I've got organic matter and air, oxygen. Without oxygen, no fungi, and then no organic decomposition. In the rice fields, the rice straw are always underwater. So there's no oxygen inside, or very low level of oxygen. No fungi, no decomposition. Years after years, you have organic matter growing on the rice field. But if you are trying to make it react, no reaction. Remember?
Chẳng sạch nó mình sẽ tầm khăn đó. Cứ cần miên sạch từ
វារត់ខ្យល់
bị đốt tròn hay từ miên vừa decomposition bằng bay xa thiết nắng. Khai chia bà chỉ bằng một.
ចំណាំអាចជ្រោបយកបាន
Dạ.
អូខ្លុំហៀហើយ
And the more precisely, the more time you take to look at, the more things you're going to discover.
Bây là dương mơ canh tay làm ít đó dương đừng mơ khơi vậy em sẽ nhận canh tay tràn.
Okay, you see here, I've got roots,
Bà dương mơ khơi nó
and
chia
here inside, that's fungi.
hàng không nó cứ chia sạch rồi. Bỏ so nữa.
And that's beautiful. There's a lot of porosity inside. A lot of porosity. You've got worms, roots, fungi, porosity all together in one piece.
Mà cho dương mơ nó miên run trở lên miên rư miên sạch chẳng hạn năng miên
ចម្រុះភាព
chỉ vậy chùm rong
Okay,
អា
now
អីយ៉ាងហើយ
I'm going to look at the last
Look at
stage. The last stage is the one which is connected to the surface.
ទីទៀតគាត់នឹងយកអាដីលើគេបំផុតដែលវានៅខាងលើគេបំផុតហ្នឹងហើយ
This is one of the specialty of the clay. When the clay is dry, this type of red clay, the clay is turning into dust. So it's difficult to look at something. Here,
Durian roots.
roots of durian.
Yeah.
Okay. Roots of durian. Look at that. That's beautiful. Here. All these white filaments here. These are fungi.
បាទសសហ្នឹងគឺជាផ្សិតណា
And they are just on the same place like the roots.
ហើយវានៅកន្លែងជាមួយតានឹងឫសដំណាំហ្នឹង
That means that this is a symbiosis. It could be mycorrhizas.
អីយ៉ាងហ្នឹង
Pupuk microze.
អ
Apa sekolah microze?
Yeah.
Fungi.
Fungi.
ជួយផ្សិតណា
Pupuk pesat.
That's a durian root. This one is not able to catch anything. But here, there's small root coming from the durian root, the main root, and this one is able to catch food.
យើងមើលទៅអាឫសទរេនអាលឿនលឿនហ្នឹងវាអត់អាចស្រូបយកសារជាតិចិញ្ចឹមអីទេណាអាស្រូបបានហ្នឹងគឺអាស្បៃវានេះណាបាទ
Okay, I'm going to keep this one. Here is the surface. Okay? So now we are going to try to make some test to see whether the organic matter is equally everywhere or if it's active or not active.
ទីទៀតគាត់នឹងបង្ហាញយើងថាតើដីនៅស្រទាប់ក្រោមកណ្ដាលលើអីហ្នឹងតើវាមានសភាពដូចគ្នាឬក៏អត់ណាអាដីណាដែលវា active ហើយអាដីណាវាអត់ active
Non, pas pour moi. Non, je le fais pas. Si, pour moi, je veux bien. Non, mais non, je blague. Je vais y faire attention.